with the advanced section, you can make some of the parameters optional so that people don't see way too many numbers and things to fiddle with at the start. See, he had 2 of these nodes, and the last one should end with the end, set end to true on the last one. And you can put things in between. These things that you put in between the advanced nodes, they won't appear at first. The layout is a table, and so you have to stretch everything out so that it looks like a table with it vertical. And the advanced nodes are vertical, top to bottom. Save it. Now you can see advanced node, so they appear and be shared.